YouTube, what's going on? I just got back from a fresh retwist. This is what I'm looking like at 2 years and 4 months. My stylist worked with me and she combined the locks that was thinning at the roots. So I'm real thankful for that. I'm show y'all what I'm looking like at 2 years and 4 months. This is a fresh retwist. My hair definitely grew some length. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking like. This is 2 years and 4 months. As you can tell from my older videos, uh, the top was like, frizzy, and you can see my scalp now. So this is 2 years and 4 months. That's what I'm looking like, y'all. Fresh retwist. Fresh retwist. Gave me life. So happy about that. So yeah, that's the front. It's the front. What I'm looking like. The ones that's combined it is this one right here. You can tell it got two heads right there. That's combined it. So my roots is a little thicker. Yeah, my hair texture is kind of like straight a little bit. So yeah, that's probably why. It's that she said that could be a reason why it was probably thinning. I don't know how true that is, but yeah, this is the front. Uh, left side, left side, right side, the back. Definitely grew, y'all. That's the back. And the front again. Like I said, my hair has definitely grown. Uh, I like the retwist. It went successful. If y'all want more videos, follow me on my dread journey, lock journey. I'll be posting more videos pretty soon. So subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. This is 2 years and 3 months, y'all. No, 4 months, y'all. Peace.